Hi everyone, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today I will be making a simple shrimp Alfredo recipe with this organic classic Alfredo sauce. So grab your aprons and your pan and let's go. I have some raw frozen shrimps that I'm going to soak in a vinegar and water solution and also defrost them. You can use any vinegar of your choice. After soaking my shrimps, I've rinsed them under cool running water. Let's move on to the seasoning. I'm covering my shrimps with some Tony Cheshire Creole seasoning. I'm doing the same with some onion powder. I'm also covering my shrimps with my favorite seasoning, Obe seasoning. Next, I'm sprinkling some dry basil leaves. You can also use some fresh basil leaves. And for my last ingredient, I'm adding some garlic. Next, I'm mixing all my ingredients, making sure to spread the herbs, the garlic, and all the flavors throughout all the shrimp. While the shrimp is marinating, I'm preheating some olive oil on medium heat. My oil is hot, so it's time to add the marinated shrimps. I'm giving them a quick stir and I'm going to allow them to cook until they are no longer transparent, while I stir them occasionally. So this is how I like my shrimps. Next, I'm pouring my organic classic Alfredo sauce over my shrimps, and this is my first time trying this sauce. I'm giving it a quick stir to make sure that all the shrimps are covered with the sauce. I'm going to let it simmer covered on low heat. I added a very small amount of water to the bowl of Alfredo sauce and I'm adding it to the pot.
One eternity later.
Now I'm adding the sauce to my pasta. I'm mixing and spreading the sauce throughout the pasta. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made shrimp Alfredo and what sauce did you use. This next step is optional. I'm adding some homemade dry serrano pepper to make it a little bit more spicier. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.